Hello and welcome to this tutorial of MapFight. This tutorial is focused primarily for those who teach history and foreign language, as both deal a lot with places, territories, and really trying to understand what is similar and what's different. MapFight's a very simple program, so it won't take long to explain, but it really is effective and really can help students understand things that normally they wouldn't grasp. As you can see here on the front of it, MapFight basically, as it says, compares the size of any two geographical areas. So for example, right now, people might be wondering, well, what's North Korea like? We hear about it in the news all the time. Well, here you go. Compared to Texas, which a lot of us are familiar with, Texas is 5.8 times bigger than North Korea. And you can switch it the other way around if you want to know. North Korea is 0.17 times as big as Texas. Very simple, you can compare two places. So for example, in my Spanish class, I might go and say, Kansas, we're really familiar with that. My students are from Kansas. And we might want to compare it to, let's say, how small is El Salvador, for example. There it is right there, it's El Salvador. And we can search and say, oh, it is pretty tiny. Or another one, a lot of us don't realize how big, is Mexico, just a little south of us. And that's a lot bigger than most of us realize. We could even compare it to places like the United States and see the difference there. Mexico's actually pretty big. A new nice feature that I didn't realize was here before, but I've now just discovered, as it's saying down here, are in its list of recently added maps. And now they've added a lot of historical maps, which could be great for history teachers, maybe the Persian Empire. We can go here. We've got a lot of different versions of it. Maybe we have Chicago, the old city. Now, actually, what it looks like is that these are different versions of things happening at the same time as they added the Persian Empire in different groups. These are different groups of maps that came out. So again, looks like here we actually have the Death Star. So you can actually take a Star Wars thing of the Death Star and compare it to Kansas, a fictitious element of a show, and compare it there. Wow, I didn't realize it was that big. Anyways, so a lot of great things. You can compare it to other stuff. Always search in there, see what you can find. But we have great things. You might see. It looks like right now we don't have the U.S. in the past, but there you could check the Arabic Empire or Austria-Hungary back when it was in the 1914s. Anyways, go enjoy, find a great way to compare, and have fun.